Now, every fabricator, construction or engineering company, metal manufacturing supplier, in fact, anyone that uses welding, can take advantage of the safety, efficiency, cost savings and accuracy of robotic welding. EzyWeld is the fast learner of robotic welding, putting programming back in the hands of the user. In just a couple of minutes, you can enter the start point, stop point, weld pattern, post gas and delay, and the length and speed of the weld. Use the universal robotics arm to control almost any welder, with Gentronics able to provide a top gun solution or a wide range of brands and welding accessories to suit your individual needs. To dial in even the most complex of tasks, just create the first weld, then add more welds to activate more complex patterns. EzyWeld makes it simple. For everything from small batch jobs to those repetitive tasks that can tie up staff members, EzyWeld with the universal robotics arm puts more welding power in your hands, ensuring economical, reliable and safe results.